See the associative property of integers in division. Okay, so here I am considering three integers minus 16, 4 and minus 2. So first minus 16 divided by 4 divided by minus 2 I am checking. See here, minus 16 divided by 4, we can write minus 16 in numerator and 4 in denominator. Like this we have to find this division, and divided by minus 2 as it is we have to write here. Okay. Then we know that minus with the plus division gives us minus. So we get minus 4 ones are 4 fours are. So that becomes 4 by 1. That is divided by minus 2. That is nothing but minus 4. Minus 4 by 1 is nothing but 4 minus 4. So divided by minus 2. Okay. So do the division minus minus cut 2 ones are 2 twos are. Once again we are getting 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. That means the value of this is 2. Okay. Similarly do the second one. That is minus 16 as it is we have to write divided by, in brackets we have to do first. That is 4 divided by minus 2. So 4 in numerator by minus 2 in denominator. So see that minus 16 divided by, so positive with negative division gives us negative. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means we get 2 by 1 here. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. So minus 16 divided by minus 2 we get. How we can write this? How can we write this? That is minus 16 in numerator by minus 2 in denominator. Once again minus minus will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 eights are. That means we are getting 8 by 1. 8 by 1 is nothing but 8. So here the result is 8. Here the result is 2. So both are same. So clearly we can say that both are not same. So associative property is not satisfies here. So thus division of integers is not associative. See the example problem. That is, a shopkeeper earns a profit of rupee 1 by selling one pen and incurs a loss of 40 paise per pencil while selling pencils of her old stock. Okay, so that means when he sells a pen he gets profit 1 rupee, and when he sells his old stock pencil then he get a loss of 40 paise. So here there are two bits. See the first bit. In a particular month she incurs a loss of rupees 5. In this period she sold 45 pence. That means 45 pence she sold, even though she is getting 5 rupees loss, overall loss. Then how many pencils did she sell in this period? So we have to find out number of pencils she sell in that period, and she is getting 5 rupees overall loss. Okay, so I will explain. I will tell you the first bit, second bit you have to do. Okay, so see that one. In selling a pen, she is getting 1 rupee profit. Okay, just see the problem. Profit earned by selling one pen is nothing but 1 rupee. 1 rupee is nothing but 100 paise. Loss incurred by selling a pencil, that is 40 paise. Here by selling a pencil she is getting loss. So loss amount in general we indicated by minus symbol. That means here in whenever there is loss we indicate this as minus. So here 40 paise loss she is getting. So minus 40. Okay, so profit end by selling 45 pence because she sell 45 pence in that particular month. So 45 pence profit first we have to calculate. So 45 into, for 1 pen she is getting 100 paisa profit. Profit means plus. So 45 into plus 100 we have to do. That means we get 45 into 100, that is 4500. After that, total loss. Here observe the total loss given. So overall loss after getting this much profit on the pencils, on the pens, sorry, this much profit on pens, she sells some pencils which giving us 40 paisa loss. Okay, so here she is getting overall 5 rupees loss. That means the loss is 5 into 100, that is 500 paisa. That is loss means minus 500 paisa. So here you have to observe one thing. She is getting overall loss. That means whatever the profit amount, that much also she is losing here. That means total loss amount incurred is equal to total loss. Overall loss is 500 paise. So 500 paisa minus profit also she is not getting. Profit is in, so we have to subtract that profit. That is 4500 we have to subtract here. Okay, so minus 500 minus 4500. That means overall she is getting minus 5000 paise loss. Are you observing? So why we are doing like, why are we doing like this? So here profit amount and loss amount, if you observe that overall 500 paisa she is getting loss. That means whatever the profit she gained from the by from selling the pants, that much also she is losing. Okay, that means the total loss 500 paisa minus profit amount 4500 also we have to subtract, and total loss amount we have to calculate. So that much of loss she getting by selling pencils. So number of pencils sold is equal to, the loss amount is minus 5000 divided by, for single pencil she is getting minus 40 paisa loss. So divided with minus 40. So observe carefully, minus division with minus gives us plus. So plus we get 5000 by 40 gives us 125. That means total she sold 125 pencils in that particular month. Okay, keep concentrate that overall she is getting 5 rupees loss, means whatever the profit she earned by selling pencils, that also she is losing here. That means here overall loss minus profit amount also we have to decrease. Okay, so total loss amount incurred we have to calculate, and after that we have to divide with for one pencil how much she is getting loss. Okay, so 125 pencils she sold. Like this we can calculate and see the next problem. This is exercise problem. In a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. That means whenever whatever the question is correct, there she or he scores 4 plus 4 marks, and if the answer is wrong, then incorrect, then they get minus 2 marks. That means negative marks is given for incorrect answer. So see here, Bharati attempts all questions, but only 9 answers are correct. So 15 questions she wrote, but 9 out of 15 are correct. What is her total score? Now we have to calculate that. And see the second bit. One of her friend Hema attempts only 5 questions and all are correct. That means out of 15, 5 are correct. Then she attempt only 5 questions. That means 10 she is not attempting, so not getting negative marks. So only 5 questions with correct marks we have to calculate. What will be her total score? Okay, so in this problem I will explain the first bit, you have to do the second bit. Okay, so observe that for correct question, so total number of questions are 15 here. Marks given for correct answer is 4 marks. Marks given for incorrect answer is equal to minus 2 marks. Here first bit, number of answers Bharati written correctly is equal to 9. That means she attempted total 15 questions. So out of that 9 are correct. That means number of answers Bharati written incorrectly. So incorrectly questions, so out of 15, 9 are correct. That means 15 minus 9. So 6 are incorrect. So 6 questions she written incorrectly. So marks for correct answer. So 9 marks are correct. So 9 into 4, 9 fours are 36. And marks assigned for incorrect answers. So 6 questions are incorrect. So 6 questions are incorrect. So here 6 questions are incorrect. So first 6 questions we have to take negative marks. That is 6 into minus 2. That is equal to minus 12. 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. And total marks is marks for correct answer we have to consider plus marks for incorrect answers also. So by adding them we get the total marks. So for correct answers she is getting 36 marks, and for incorrect she is getting minus 12 marks. So 36 plus minus 12, so overall 24 marks she is getting. So therefore Bharati total score is equal to 24 marks. Like this we have to do the problem. Okay, see the next problem. That is, a cement company earns a profit of 9 rupees per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. The company sells 7,000 bags of white cement and 6,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or a loss? Okay, second one. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 5,400? So just see here. A cement company earns a profit of 9 rupees per bag of white cement. That means white cement sold. That means when the company sells a white cement, they are getting profit. So always profit amount is indicated by plus. And when the company sells a grey cement bag, so they get loss, 5 rupees loss. Okay, so I will explain the first problem how to do the second one. Observe that the company sells 7,000 bags of white cement and 6,000 bags of grey cement. That means in 7,000 bags of white cement they are getting profit. For each bag 9 rupees they are getting. So we have to calculate the total profit on white cement, and 6,000 bags of grey cement they sell. That means in that particular month on grey bags they are getting loss. So we have to calculate the loss amount for this total 6,000 bags. After that, profit amount and loss amount both we have to add after to get the profit or loss. So here observe that when profit we are indicating with plus and the loss amount we are indicating with minus. Okay, just see that profit on selling a bag of white cement is equal to 9, and loss on selling a bag of grey cement is equal to 5. So here this 5 rupees is loss. So here we have to indicate with minus 5. And number of white cement bags sold in a month. So in that particular month, the company sold 7,000 bags. So first we have to calculate profit on selling 7,000 white cement bags. That is 7,000 into 9. So we get 63,000 profit on white cement bags. And number of grey cement bags sold in a month, in that particular month, is 6,000. So loss on selling 6,000 grey cement bags is equal to 6,000 into, here we are getting for one bag 5 rupees loss, that is nothing but minus 5. So 6,000 into minus 5, that is minus 30,000. Okay, so total profit is equal to profit amount and loss amount we have to add. So profit amount is 6,300 plus loss amount is minus 30,000. So we get 33,000 profit. So plus we are getting, so plus 33,000. So plus getting, that means profit we are getting. If we get minus symbol, that means minus loss amount is more. So then we get loss. So here overall the company getting 33,000 profit. Okay. So like this we have to do the problem. Thank you for watching. This is our last session. You have to practice more problems. Okay. All the best.